In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add another Gmail account to your Android phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If you add a Google account to your Android smartphone, this account will be added automatically to all Google services such as Chrome, Gmail, Google Maps, YouTube, Drive, and others. And we can add a new account using these Google services. Any app of this we can use to add another Google account, and also we can do so from our phone settings, and I'm gonna show you all of these ways. Let's start with adding account using Google application. The process is really similar for each app. Let's say we open up Gmail. Here, if you are already signed into your main Gmail profile, you will find this profile picture now. Then we can tap on it, and that's where we can easily find and add another account. We can tap right here, then select Google. Then you will be prompted to verify your identity. I can easily do so with my fingerprint. On the next step, all we have to do is just enter our email here, then hit at next, and on the next step we need to enter our email's password. Once you've entered your password, just hit at next. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, it will ask you to confirm your identity in an additional way. It says that I need to open up Gmail app on iPhone 15 Pro. Here I got it. I opened up Gmail app and it says, are you trying to sign in? Then we just need to tap at yes, I am in, it's me. And here, basically we are already signed in, but it may show us some ads, some news, or some community guideline changes here. That's where we can just tap at I agree. And after that, our second account will be added to our Android smartphone. As you can see now, it says you are signed in with that account. We can then hit at not now to go to the next step. Basically that's it. Now we can, let's say, open up Gmail, and then if we tap right here at our profile picture, we can find out that down below here located our second account. We can easily switch between these two accounts now in that simple way. If we head over to YouTube, now, as you can see, I signed with that account. However, I can tap at switch account, and then I can select another Google account here, which also contains a YouTube channel. In the same way, I can easily switch between them. The same about any other applications from here, such as Photos, Google TV, Meet, Drive, and all others. However, now I'm gonna show you another way how we can add Google account on our Android smartphone using settings. To go to settings, first off we need to swipe down and then tap at that gear. After that, I'm gonna scroll down here, and that's where we are looking for accounts and backup. That's how it is called on Samsung smartphones. However, on your smartphone it may be called in a different way. If you cannot find accounts and backup, I just recommend you to search for accounts here, just like that. And that's how you can easily find the option we are looking for. Maybe it is called accounts and security or something like that. And then once you find it, just get into it and then tap at manage accounts. it will show you all the accounts associated with that smartphone. Here I can see my both of my Gmail accounts, a Facebook account, Messenger account, WhatsApp account. And if we want to add another one, we can just tap right here where it says add account. Then we need to select a Google account. And then in the same way, we need to verify our identity. And then we need to enter email and password. Basically, guys, there are all the ways we can use to add another Gmail account on our Android smartphone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.